Hello everyone, my name is Asim Gufar and are you watching my YouTube channel? Today I'm back with new product is a auto refresh post and page. Is a totally free. You don't need to any sign up and just install this plugin and use it. Okay, let's start. The question is why do you need this product or use this plugin? Okay, I give you example. Like you using any short code or affiliate marketing, WordPress, Amazon to WordPress or eBay to WordPress, you use a shortcode in your product. But when you refresh, then the product get a new information, latest price. But if you use this plugin, you don't need to refresh. This automatically refresh your page. You set your time in second, in minutes, in hours. And second example, uh, like are you using a slider is a plugin like a random images, but image change when reload a page. But when you use this plugin, you don't need to refresh. The images automatically change in after in your interval. Okay, let's start. I will show you. I'm already installed this plugin, the auto refresh post and page. When you install, do you see the one setting page? Go to the setting, have a four tabs basically. So the main is you just directly on and off the whole plugin functionalities here. And this is all select, like you use this. By the way, this plugin is supported by them custom post types all custom post types. So you like set 50 second all, so it applies all to. You change minutes is a 15 minutes, and second you change a behavior. So this supported by the multiple roles. Second, all one more thing, these two functions is are different. The one is a reload the page and second is the AJAX. So without reload a page, use the AJAX. So you set a countdown timer and countdown timer like a styling, and where is this bar show like a circle bar, and and you also use a shortcode. Do you see this supported by the post pages and the custom plugins of WooCommerce? So this supported by the all custom post type. But if you want use only just one single page, then use a shortcode like the four different shortcode. I'm already set up one shortcode on here. This is the refresh interval 60 second basically, and the circle color style is circle, color is here, and show timer is true and false. So do you see here on the corner of the left, the timer starts 60 second. So thanks for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe and share. Thank you.